Am I gonna love this? Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. My name is Sharon, by the way, and in today's video we are going to be testing out another skincare line from Some by Me. Since I really love my AHA BHA Miracle Toner and cream from Some by Me, so I decided to test another product line from them. So the one that I've been talking about is their Galactomyces Pure Vitamin C Glow Toner and Galactomyces Pure Vitamin C Glow Serum. There are times that I feel like the skin on my face looks a little dull. So I thought that the best product to use on dull skin to have a brighter and healthier looking skin is to use a vitamin C based product. But before we get started, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so that you will not be missing out any of my videos. So hey, I'm just going to quickly tell you about my skin. What is my skin type or my skin background? So I have a pretty congested skin. I get congestion easily, like blackheads, whiteheads, and I get sometimes rashes from a product easily. And then yeah, I'm very acne prone person. So my skin is an acne prone type of skin, and I have an oily skin, and I also have a mature skin already. So as per usual, I did test out this product for like a month so that I would be able to see what is the true reaction on it on my skin. I also did a clip from start to beginning before I use the product, how my skin looks like before I use the product, and up to the end. So after like 30 days or so. So let's all watch it. Hey friends, so today I am going to test out another Some by Me product. And yeah, it is their Galactomyces Pure Vitamin C Glow Toner. This is how it looks like. And also there's the Some by Me Galactomyces Pure Vitamin C Glow Serum. So this is how it looks like. So this is going to be our starting point, guys. Ito yung aking face. And as you can see, I have a breakout here and here also. This is fading away. So usually if my pimples starts to heal, it doesn't turn dark or black, it just turns red. So ito yung itsura niya. And also here, since also this is a new one, by the way, because it is the time of the month. It's always the time of the month every time I test out a new product, guys. So yeah, that's why we are having this. And also I have a breakout here on the side of the face. It's because sometimes I don't wash my hair, so this really happens. And on the nose area, my nose pores looking pretty good compared to before I was using the Some by Me products. Oh, by the way, guys, I am still using the Some by Me Miracle Toner and cream, by the way. So that's why my congestions are doing okay. It's because of the Some by Me. My skin is looking at its best, kumbaga. So this part here, I don't have any bumps. Yung mga whiteheads and blackheads, wala. Ano lang siya, yung mga basta yung mga redness lang. Yan. So let's check on the side. I don't know if you are able to see clearly there. And on the other side, on the forehead, chin area, looking pretty good. Also the mouth area, although there I have some redness because I am really red there all the time. So this is our starting point. Hey friends, welcome to another update of the Some by Me Galactomyces Pure Vitamin C Glow Toner and Serum, which is this one. So this is after the second week of using, so let's check my face out. So I don't know if you've noticed, but I have a very huge friend here and it has a pus and it hurts so bad, as in. So I still also have this breakout here. I think this started last Tuesday, I guess, and this happened or started last Thursday. And at first it was just a bump and then it turned to be like this. Amazing, amazing. So on this side I don't have much congestion, but I feel like I have some a little congestion here. I don't know, it's weird. And I feel like, for me personally, I feel like my face is not glowing as I expect it to be, because this is a glow toner and a glow serum, so I did not see any glowing at all. I've noticed that it looks more the opposite, I guess. I don't know, I just feel weird. And also here in the nose area I have few bumps, but it went away already. But I really have a breakout here. I had a breakout here. So on this part, pores doesn't look good. Yeah. I don't know if you can see here on my this little hyperpigmentation, that it hasn't gone or go away. And also I have a new one here. Amazing. So yeah, and also here some few breakouts here and there, and also here on the side of my face. So on the 2-week mark, I did not enjoy, honestly, using this one, guys. So I would still continue to use this until I finish everything. I still have pretty much a lot left. I think I only use 1/4 or less than 1/4 still, because this is 200 ml bottle. So I don't know, I feel like stopping this one or stop use this one. I don't know, let's just see. Okay, so this is my face. Not so happy with it. Hi friends, so today is the 3rd week of me using the Some by Me Galactomyces Vitamin C Glow Toner and Serum. So let's check our face. So as you can see, this is the breakout that I have the last time that has pus in it. So the pus is gone, but I still have this mark left. So it's been a week, but my mark is not it is still visible. And also here, I don't know if you could still remember, but my pimple marks are still here. And then the nose area, oh my god, it looks pretty congested, I guess. And also yeah, cheek area looks so weird, like I have a lot of congestions going on. So I think the last time I mentioned that I wanted to stop using this one, but I decided to continue until I finish the whole thing. But I have pretty much a lot left still, guys. Yeah, I did not even get into half of the bottle of the toner. So on this side, it's starting to get a little congested. I don't know if you can see here. Can you see that? Yeah, and also on this side as well, getting a little congested, blackheads and whiteheads. So the forehead area is not that bad, but my marks that are left from the pimples are still pretty there. Also here, it's still bumpy still, but it's not painful anymore, but still it's bumpy. And what's weird is that I have breakouts or some whiteheads or blackheads here in on my brow area. So this is how my face is looking like after 3 weeks. So 1 more week to go and I guess we're done. So yeah, not so happy. So hey friends, so today I am going to be doing a last update on the Some by Me Galactomyces and Vitamin C Glow Toner and Serum. So this is going to be our last update, guys. I cannot wait to finish this. So this is how my face, or the skin on my face, is looking like after using this for 30 days. So let's start here. I don't know if you could see any differences in my face, but definitely yeah, but what I've noticed on this one while using this one is that I have been experiencing a lot of clogging, which is not happening with the Some by Me Miracle Toner line, but on this one there's a lot of clogging going on, especially here on this area, here, I don't know if you could see that, but I have, and also here in the cheek area, and this pimple is not going away. Also here, yeah, on the nose also, and this is not a common area to have clogging, but I have a small breakouts here, and it turned like whiteheads and blackheads, sometimes blackheads, and most of the time it is whiteheads. I don't know if you could be able to see that. Yeah, so sad. And yeah, I still have that breakout here still, it's not fading. So I don't know if I like this one, because although skin is looking a little okay, but too much clogging happening. And also I think I just wanted to say this also, on the second week I started to use a peeling soap, my peeling soap here in Japan, and I think it helped a little with the clogging, because the moment that I started using that one, I noticed that there is a minimal whiteheads and blackheads going on, unlike with just plainly using or just exclusively using the Some by Me. Too much clogging, too much. At least that soap minimizes the clogging on my face. So this is our final update, guys. It's been 30 days since I've used this one, and yeah. So yeah, I bought this in hopes that it will give me a brighter and more glowing skin, but unfortunately it did not happen, guys. It did not happen. So if you remember on the second week that I was not so happy with how my skin is looking, unlike with the AHA BHA from Some by Me, after the first week I really fell in love with that line, because it really made a big difference already just after using it for a week. Unlike with this one, it did not happen. I did not see something like that, and I even considered stopping using this one. And on this week, on top of it, I started to notice small bumps coming out here on the sides of my face, yeah, and the mouth and chin area. Oh my gosh, that is my most worried when it comes to trying something new. So sadly it happened. I started to develop a lot of whiteheads, or some bumps on the chin and the jawline and the mouth area, and that is not very, very exciting. Then the third week came. So still no improvement on my dull looking skin, especially on the dark marks on my face, where I have dark pimple marks that are healed. So there is no difference on that at all, and my skin got more congested and congested. I know, it is so weird. And on the nose area, oh my gosh, the nose area was terrible. It's starting to like accumulate a lot of like filaments, blackheads and whiteheads, and in the camera it doesn't look as clear, but in person it looks nasty, guys. I tell you, it's so congested on the nose area. And also I started to have congestions here in my cheek. You saw from the video that, yeah, my cheeks are pretty congested. I don't easily get congestion on my cheek area. I usually get on the jawline area or in my chin area, but it happened on my cheek as well, on my cheeks, both cheeks as well. And there's more. I also develop clogging on the brow area, which is so weird. I don't get that on a typical day. Yeah, I don't get clog on my brow area, just here, just this here. But it made my it gave me whiteheads and blackheads on my brow area, like here and here, and every time I do my eyebrows, it is just so painful because I have a pimple or a blackhead or whiteheads on my eyebrow. Imagine. And then it went down here on my temples. Oh my gosh, I have a lot of friends appearing here on my temple area as well, which is not the typical. I think I got bumps there, or like acne on my temple area, like when I was using, before I was using the Head and Shoulders. But after using the Head and Shoulders, I did not have any problems here in this area. But when I was using that, oh my gosh, it's also clogged here. On the other hand though, I did not get huge or big breakouts on this one. It's so odd. It's so odd and weird. It's because I only get congestion, whiteheads and blackheads, but huge pimples, no, I did not have that one. So it's kind of weird. And another weird thing also that happened is that I feel like my face is looking much darker compared from the beginning of how my face is looking like. If I'm going to look at my face in the mirror, and I could really see that my face is so dark compared to my neck. It's so weird. And yeah, I think especially the serum, it oxidizes so much on my skin. Yeah, although I follow the instructions to store it in a cool, dry place, not in sunlight, because vitamin C tends to oxidize if you are going to place it you expose it to sunlight. So I stored it in a cool, dry place, but I don't know, it's weird. It oxidizes. It made my face really looking dark. So now if you're asking what is the consistency of the toner and the serum, the toner does not feel sticky at all. It's like water. It's watery. It has a watery feel into it. Just like your typical toner, it feels just like water, but it looks weird again since it looks dark. Yeah, it really looks dark, like lighter, a little lighter from soy sauce, or if you are familiar with patis, yeah, it looks something like that. I know it is a weird description of a toner. On the other hand, the serum is not sticky as well. It has a little thickness into it and a little slippery feel into it, but not sticky at all. And the serum also, don't be surprised, it also looks the same with the toner. It looks dark. So I use both the toner and the serum morning and evening religiously before I apply my moisturizer and my SPF in the morning. So at night, it's only going to be before the moisturizer. And one thing to remember also is that you need to apply an SPF every time you do or you apply any vitamin C product, because it thins out the skin, making it a little sensitive. So I guess I also mentioned in my clip that I used a peeling soap just to help with the congestion of my skin, because my skin is just so congested. So I thought that maybe I'm just going to add something that would help the congestion. So that is why I started to use a very mild peeling soap. It's just it's really mild. You don't see your skin really peeling, just to help with the congestion. So now it's going to be my final verdict of the Some By Me Galactomyces vitamin C toner and serum. So I'll be asking, what do I think? Do I like it or do I like it not? So the answer to that is that I did not enjoy using this product actually, guys. I did not see or get the result that I was expecting, and to top of it, it oxidizes so bad on my skin that it's making my face looking so dark. And it's supposed to make my skin look brighter and glowing, but no glowing is happening, or even a tiny brightening. Nothing, not at all. In short, this did not make my skin glow as what the product claims to be. If you're looking for a product that does not do any of the following that I mentioned, then definitely it's not the Sun by Me Galactomyces vitamin C toner and vitamin C glow toner and glow serum. So this is not the one for you. This is not the one for us. So personally, I cannot recommend this product to you, friends. Yeah, I just cannot recommend it. But then again, what did not work on me may work on you, and vice versa. This video is just based on my skin type. We all have different types of skin, so maybe this one will work on you. So if you really wanted to try this, then just give it a go. But like I've said, I cannot personally recommend it. So as for where you can get the Sun by Me products, you can find them online like Amazon, Koten, iHerb. I got mine from koten.jp, and they are priced differently. If you go to another store, they are priced higher, and if you go to another store, they are priced a little lower. But I think for me, when I look up the pricing system of the sellers, especially in Koten, I just find some seller price it very low. It's because they did not include the shipping, but sometimes the price is a little high because shipping is already included. So I think that is the reason why they are priced differently. It's just because some sellers priced together with the shipping and some did not include the shipping. For my friends in the Philippines, no worries, it's available on Shopee and Lazada. Sun by Me has an official store there in Lazada. You can check them out there. And when I check out on Shopee, I find that the pricing is a little expensive compared to Lazada, and I don't have any idea why. I think I don't know if it is an official Sun by Me store in Shopee as well, but definitely in Lazada it is their official Sun by Me store. So better check them out for sure. So I think it's a wrap. I think that's it for today's video. And if you have any questions, or if you have already tried this Sun by Me Galactomyces Glow Up Toner and Serum, make sure to leave it in the comment section. I would love to hear your experiences, or I'm just curious what is your experience using this product, because mine wasn't so good. So I just wanted to hear yours as well. Thank you always for tuning in, and always remember, the makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather it makes you a better you. Thank you once again, and hope to see you on the next one. Bye.